Gun-Source Concealment Coffee Table is a stunning addition to any living space. Constructed with solid wood and utilizing premium hardware, you can safely store up to 100 pounds in a slide-out drawer. Two struts on either side of the drawer assist in smoothly operating and supporting the drawer box, which has a high-density foam to cut out to fit your specific needs. Utilizing a RFID activated lock, your valuables stay safe and secure, out of sight until you want to access them. Each table comes with a key card, two RFID keychains, and a master key card, designated with a red dot in case you wish to program additional RFID cards. The Gun-Source provides you with high-quality, handmade in America products to your custom desires. Contact us at thegunsource.com for more information. Thegunsource.com is your one-stop source whether you're looking for custom rifles, shotguns, or furniture. Hit subscribe below. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for new products and great content.